Welcome back. Today is National Manufacturing Day. It's a time to celebrate the work and future of an industry that employs over 12 million people nationwide. And joining us now is Laura Phillips, Vice President of Engineering with the Pella Corporation. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Lindsay, thank you for having me. I'm so excited to be able to celebrate National Manufacturing Day.
Yeah, a holiday everyone glances
the best
over
holiday
way
of the
too
year.
much.
Yeah.
Can you talk about what the holiday is and why it's so important?
Yeah, Manufacturing Day is important because this is a huge industry in the state, actually Iowa's largest industry. And so we want to make sure that all in the state understand how important it is, that there are great careers that you can build in manufacturing and really just bring awareness to the great jobs that you can get in this field.
Can you talk about how the industry has changed? You know, it's not, you think of manufacturing, you're thinking, okay, a dark, cold warehouse. That's not the case. There's modern manufacturing now. It's very different and it's very diverse.
It's very diverse. Manufacturing, you think of the old days, these dark, dingy factories. It's just not the case anymore. Manufacturing, our factories are bright, they're full of energy, they have tons of technology and automation. You can often see highly automated equipment paired with amazing team members producing the products that our customers love. It's a completely different environment. We also need people with all different backgrounds and skills. Think engineering, think programmers, think maintenance people and finance people and HR people. You can really build a career with so many backgrounds and capabilities.
That's what I was about to say. You know, manufacturing, it doesn't always have to be hands-on on the floor. You need accountants, you need communications people.
That's right.
So everyone should be looking towards manufacturing when thinking of their future career path.
Yep, that's absolutely right. We really want to get students excited about building careers in manufacturing.
Now, I like that you say that the theme of this year's National Manufacturing Day is inspiring the next generation. Can you talk about what the Pella Corporation is doing to accomplish that and help with that?
Yeah, Pella's philanthropic work is really important to our core. We spend a ton of time outreaching on campuses and with K-12. We have an exciting event coming up. We're actually going to have 200 students, middle school students from the Pella community at our headquarters.
Oh, that'll be fun.
They're going to do tours, do hands-on experiments, really learn what it would be like to work in manufacturing and hopefully inspire them to consider majoring in something and considering manufacturing as a career later. We also partner on campus. We had an opportunity recently to do a huge grant with Indian Hills Community College. They have an amazing tech trades program, and they were able to start a new training center in Centerville with that grant. And so just lots of ways to connect and really inspire that future generation.
Recently, jobs in STEM have been so heavily promoted. This fits right into that. It's so important to continue to educate, you know, from middle schoolers to those in college about these types of career opportunities.
Absolutely. STEM is an incredible, important part of manufacturing. I happen to be an engineer and have an amazing technical engineering team. We spend a lot of time on campuses collaborating with STEM groups to really start inspiring and igniting interest in manufacturing.
Can you talk a little bit about the Pella Corporation? You guys are about to turn 100 in February.
Yep, 100 years in February. It's clearly been an incredible ride. We were founded in central Iowa, which we're really proud of. Our headquarters is in Pella, Iowa. We manufacture windows and doors, and we've spread, we've grown, we've been on this huge growth journey. Now have 18 manufacturing sites, almost 11,000 employees working in manufacturing. 4,000 of those are in Iowa. And so we're just incredibly proud of this growth journey and all of the jobs that we've been able to provide, really, so that our team members can provide for their families.
Now, for those watching this interview and saying, okay, how can I learn more? One about manufacturing overall, the Pella Corporation, National Manufacturing Day, where should they go?
Yeah, so we have so much information on our website, so please check us out on Pella.com.
Okay, Laura, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me. It's been awesome.
Course.
Happy Manufacturing Day.
Yes, happy National Manufacturing Day, y'all. We'll be right back after the break.